Welcome back. We have a couple special guests in studio with us with Chef Anthony this morning. We've also invited Miss Aubrey Ross, the horticulture instructor at Pittsburgh High School, and Gracie, correct?
Yes.
Gracie, one of her students. Now, you guys are here specifically today to talk about why we have Dragon Farms products and how you guys are getting them.
Yes.
Yes.
So in November, we started purchasing a hydroponic farm. It's a vertical farm. You can see it on here. We can grow up to 2.5 acres of produce, and our main goal is to sell that back to the cafeteria. So we're doing things in the realm of sustainability, helping students become more food secure, and really teaching students about where their food comes from.
So what types of green products are you guys growing in them?
Yeah, so we have 3 primary crops. We have a green leaf lettuce, a butterhead lettuce, and a red lettuce, which I'm really excited about. It's beautiful dark red color. And then we're also experimenting with some other things. We have some basil, some kale, and some other herbs as well that we're working on.
And Chef Anthony is actually going to be preparing a salad today using the greens from the Dragon Farms.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, we're really excited about this. This salad specifically, and then
you want to tell us what you're using from it?
I have olive oil, honey, apple cider vinegar, salt, pepper, and 8 ounces of strawberries. We're going to make a strawberry vinaigrette to go on top of this beautiful salad that was all harvested at the Dragon Farm. And I'm excited because very soon, next Saturday, it will be available to the general populace at Farmers Market.
That's right.
So it's going to be quite the adventure for everyone to come in and try things. So I've added everything into my food processor, and I'm just going to blend it up.
And of course, the fruit and what you're not getting that's green out of today's recipe is coming from Martinez Produce.
Correct. Everything comes from Martinez Produce except for the greens today, and I have red peppers, yellow peppers, strawberries, cucumbers, carrots. Are all going to go on top of our salad today. We're going to keep it nice and light and fluffy and tasteful all the way across the board. So we have lots of opportunities for us to express our flavors.
And Aubrey, you guys are teaching a class this summer that students like Gracie are helping you with the produce.
Yeah, absolutely. So they're getting first hands-on experience with everything from seed germination all the way through harvest. We're also doing things in our small greenhouse where we've got some pepper plants and some cucumbers and things like that. So really excited about giving these students an opportunity to learn where their food comes from and how to grow their own food to be more food secure in their life.
Now I know getting like a big, you don't call it a trailer, you call it
it's a shipping container.
Getting like a huge shipping container like this it's not a small endeavor. Like this is
a
big deal for the school.
It's a huge deal. So we're one of the first high schools in Kansas to do something like this specifically with the freight farm. It's 320 square feet, but we can harvest roughly 2.5 acres worth of produce. So it really, if you think about it, takes about 5.5 acres to feed a human for a year. And so really we're producing quite a large quantity of food. And we're going to be able to sell it.
The shipping container takes up about 4 parking spaces or something like that?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, exactly. So the vertical farming allows us to not only save lots of space and agricultural ground, but it also conserves water. We only use about 10 gallons of water a day. We're talking about a 99% difference or savings in water from a traditional farm of the same size.
Plus, you don't have to fight against Mother Nature and all the bugs and stuff. Exactly. So then you don't have to use the pesticides that are on a lot of outdoor products.
Yeah, no pesticides, no herbicides. Everything is controlled by the computer. We really don't do a whole lot in terms of calibrating. We just check on the system every week, but really it's very organic, a very high quality produce.
This is awesome and a great opportunity for the kids as well to be able to experience this firsthand. Right. And I know there's a lot of like careers and stuff that they could go into in the future that deal with this kind of stuff.
Yeah, absolutely. So this is hydroponics in general is cutting edge farming technology. This is the way of the farming world right now. You know, we're looking at a global food shortage, and so anytime we can provide local sustainable resources to produce food, it's just a win all around.
Well, thank you so much for coming in and joining
Yeah,
us this
absolutely.
morning. We're going to come back after the break and find out how this amazing salad actually tastes. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too.
And we got to put a few toppings on it too. All right, we'll be right back.